I will do a video about how to calculate and how to find actually if there is a number missing in a list or a tuple in Python. So what does it mean? Here you can see a collection of numbers from 1 to 8, but the number 5 is missing and the number 8 appears twice. So what we want to do is to actually find the number is missing and the numbers who appear twice in O(n) of time and O of 1 in memory. So how are we going to do it? So first of all, we have the actual tuple. So what we did was we get the tuple. Here is the actual function. And we have a function named sum and multiply and the factorial. So what we're going to do is get the sum of all the numbers, and we're going to get the multiply of the tuple, which we get here in sum and multiply. So this will sum all the elements in the tuple and multiply all of them together. So we get the sum and the multiply. Then we get the supposed sum by the formula of series in Calc 1. So the amount of numbers multiplied by 1 plus the amount of numbers divided by 2. And then we have the factorial that we calculate. We get the factorial. It's really simple function. You can do it recursively, but I didn't find any way why to do it, so I just do it iteratively. So I get the factorial of the numbers, and then we calculate by the formula that I wrote here how we actually finding the numbers, so which appear once and which appear twice. So you just need to do a little bit of algebra to actually find this out. So I calculated which one is j and which one is I. So j is the element that appear twice and I is the element that absence. So j minus I equal to the tuple sum minus the supposed sum. So here we have just the difference between the number that appeared twice and the number that was supposed to be. And now we are calculating the I divided by j. So this is the factorial of the number, and we divide it by the tuple, about the tuple actually multiplied by itself. And now I just show here the actual calculation. If I have I divided by j, I made it equal to t2, and I said t1 equal to the sum. So what I did was to isolate the variables and solve two formula with two unknowns. So value that appear twice equal to round j minus 1 divided by 1 minus I minus the divided by j. And the value missing is here. You see the round of a value appeared twice multiplied by I divided by j. So here you can actually see the math that I did here, and then I just return the values. So here is an example, and here is the answers. I run again to run it, and you can see here the same. Also, you can see that if I will change now what I change is now the number that is missing is 8 and the number that appears twice is 5. So let's change and run it again, and we can see that the numbers change. Let's change it again, and we will add 8, but we will delete 7 and add 6. So we have 6 and 7. So you can see this is working. All you need to do is just run by the math in a piece of paper, and you should be good to go. Hope you like this video. Till next time, and click like and subscribe. It's really important for the YouTube algorithm. Bye bye.